Hello loves! Welcome to my channel. This is your Tita Laguachera, Love Miss Rowan. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please watch all my previous video and subscribe. Thank you! Hello loves! Yes, it's 30 days before Christmas, so come and join me as I explore Baguio City. First is the giant Christmas tree from the ultimate favorite tambayan in Baguio City. Of course, City Baguio. This is one of the favorite spot for photo op for the mall goers, especially for kids. You can also go to the sky terraces where you could see the magnificent view of Baguio City. I really love the view of the Burnham Lake. Look at that! Ang ganda, diba? The next famous spot for Christmas in Baguio City is of course the Baguio Country Club Christmas Village. It is finally open to public, but with entrance fee. Ayan, basahin nyo lang guys. Pati yung mga reminders and safety and health protocols. Ayan, make sure to follow it. Halika, samahan nyo ko at tignan ang loob ng Christmas Village. It's only 4:30 PM, kaya kaunti pa lang ang tao. Halika, tignan natin kung anong meron. As you can see at the start, you could actually see a lot of stalls where you could buy some food. And there's also a stall there where you could buy some souvenir like t-shirts. Ayan, medyo ilayo yung mga bata kasi baka pabili ng pabili. By the way, yung tower na yan na merong red hot, yan ang bubble maker. Kaya as you could see, yun lang yung area na merong bubbles. So there are 4 towers that generates bubbles around the Christmas village. And parang every 15 minutes, naglalabas siya ng bubbles. At 6 PM, all the lights will be opened, and at that area, they'll have the nativity where people could take some pictures with Mama Mary and Jesus. And for the kids, they could actually put their wish to Santa. Ayan, it's for free. So they'll just have to write their wishes. Siyempre, sana ito pa rin ni Santa. Ayan, it's bubble time. Oh, I mean, snow time na pala. Look at the snow. Ayan, super enjoy ang mga kids. And of course, even the kids at heart. Ayan, mukha na rin siyang snow pag sa malayo. Pwede na rin ang mga pangarap ng Pinoy ng snow. And last on the vlog is the Ayala Techno Hub at Camp John Cave. So after dining out from the different restaurants at Camp John Cave, Ayala Techno Hub, you can actually take some photos on those wonderful Christmas lights. Yeah, they decorated all of the trees, super colorful siya at night. So, if you're looking for a new restaurant to try at Camp John Cave, try Melt Steakhouse. It's a new restaurant with delicious food at affordable price. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Try na! According to the waiter, the food is good for 2. But when we got it, it seems na good for 1 lang siya. Pero grabe, super sarap. And sakto lang sa price. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, loves!